Right, so you've downloaded and installed the plugins and Mac scripts. Before showing you the tools, head back to the website. The quick way is through Decipher. Click on Log into User Dashboard to log into your account. Then open the Extra Files page. Here you can download 3D models, tutorials, back issues of 3Disciple magazine, and if you've installed an older plugin release, you'll need to download the Mac scripts separately from here. Back in 3ds Max, SiNi offers forensic and scatter plugins for free. I'll discuss these in other videos. All of the Mac scripts are free. However, you'll find some scripts use code from SiNi's paid plugins, so you'll need to subscribe to use them. You can, of course, try these plugins for 30 days. If interested, log back into your account through Decipher, open the Licenses and Users page, and along the top, click on the plugin icons you want to trial. They're activated as soon as you click on it. To check this, open Decipher if it's not already open. A green tick will show next to the plugins. Close Decipher and continue exploring the tools. You'll have access to everything during the trial period, so go for it. Or if you need my help, stick with me as I'll be covering all the plugins in further videos. Alternatively, check out the help docs, or if you really get stuck, drop the SiNi team a support ticket from your online account. In the next video, I'll get into the Ignite collection, which is SiNi's arsenal of utility plugins, used daily by thousands of kick-ass artists. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching!